Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy the presentation. On tonight's menu, Caribbean beef curry with potatoes. The morning mise en place. The spices for the dish. Just after prep. And the second mise en place in order of appearance. Heating up some oil in the brazier. Add the beef to brown. Still browning the beef. I remove the beef and set aside. I add the onions and saute. I add the ginger and the garlic and saute for about a minute. I add all the spices and let them bloom for about a minute or two. I add the stock and the tomatoes. Then I add the potatoes. Then I reintroduce the beef. I add the brown sugar and the soy sauce. Then I bring it to a simmer. And then it will simmer for 45 minutes. Add the lime juice and stir it in. Here's the finished Caribbean beef curry with potatoes in the brazier. The rice is ready. And the final presentation. Yummy. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the presentation. Have fun cooking.